Everybody, welcome back to another video today. My name is Marybeth Angelelli, and in today's video I am going to continue to share with you this amazing little program that I discovered recently and was introduced to called Quick System Pro. And this is the capture page that I have been utilizing with great results and much continued success. It is available as part of the marketing system created by my capture page, and it's working out really, really well. As a matter of fact, I invite you, after this video concludes, to check this out. I'm going to drop my link to my website below in the description, like I always do on all of my videos. So you can go here and enter your name right here, your first name and your email address, and then click on show me the video. And when you do that, you're going to come to easydaily100.biz. That's the capture page. When you enter your information and click here, this is where you're going to be redirected. And then this is going to allow you to review all the wonderful information available about Quick System Pro, where you can position yourself with a reseller license when you join to resell the digital products and start receiving unlimited $100 payments, even on a daily basis, multiple times a day, potentially. Once you kick this into motion and just stay consistent with your marketing efforts and just drive traffic into that capture page, that would be my best recommendation. You will have available to you a series of follow-up emails if you elect to go with the My Capture Page marketing system, which I strongly encourage and highly recommend for the best results, because that's going to afford you to be able to use these two explainer videos that do all the telling, all the selling, and all the explaining 24/7, 365. So you never have to concern over talking to anybody, unless of course you absolutely want to. And that's fine. But this is a very automated system. This can collect data and leads around the clock, have your prospects and leads redirected to this page, where within approximately 10 minutes, a 10-minute duration, by watching video 1 and video 2 here, they can learn all about the wonderful benefits that Quick System Pro offers and how they can get started for only $100 one time and a one-time $10 admin fee. No monthly fees ever. So this is the video you want to start with. It's a 2-minute video. It does a phenomenal job of captioning the highlights of this program and the benefits. You can learn about it in 2 minutes and 41 seconds to be exact. Then you just simply drop down here and you can learn all about this marketing system that works like a charm. mycapturepage.com. Okay? It's a little 7-minute video, folks. Getting started video explains all about this capture, all about the capture page and the marketing system that I am using to continuously earn consistent $100 payments on a daily basis. And the same reality can be yours too, but remember, nothing happens until you first take action. Okay, now of course we can't guarantee, I cannot guarantee as an income disclaimer or make any claims of income, because I simply don't know what anybody's going to do once they gain access to their system, nor do I know your work ethic. But I can tell you from my own personal experience that utilizing the system and consistently driving traffic to the funnel is producing very nicely. Okay, and when you partner up with me, you will have access. I will send you via email, once you join, a welcome email to give you access to your system, and I will also accompany that with my exact blueprint that I follow. It's my weekly marketing plan. So you will know exactly what I do and what I utilize each and every single week to get the best results. Okay? All of my resources, both free and paid, and access to this very system too, if you elect to go with it through my capture page, all right, which I do highly recommend. So you definitely want to watch those 2 videos, and then the next step is to learn more about the Quick System Pro right now and get started. This is where you click. Okay, point and click, very simple. You come here, You're going to be able to watch this video again. This is the sales video, and this is going to enable you to discover how you can turn this very website, make it into your website that can generate you potentially $100 instant direct payments consistently, daily, even the potential to do so multiple times a day, okay? So this is what you want to do. You want to definitely watch these videos. This is what I'm utilizing to get paid. You can use these same payment methods. There's also Bitcoin and there's also Zelle. So we have a grand total of 6 payment methods for your convenience. I personally accept credit and debit cards through Stripe, Cash App, which lots of people have and love. We have Google Pay, and we have Venmo. These are the wonderful exclusive member benefits that you can read about right here. You're going to gain access to 10 master resale rights with great content and great value to help you to increase your skill set, turn around through the information and knowledge contained within these wonderful products, and use them to help you to successfully build your Quick System Pro. And as a matter of fact, they are universal marketing informational products, digital educational information products that you can take, you can resell them, and you can utilize what you learn within and apply it to any online business for your success, okay, to successfully build. So there's lots of great benefits here, and there's lots of value. You get the reseller license to turn around and resell the entire package, and then earn direct payments. More continued proof that this system is the real deal right here, folks. See these $100 payments coming in around the clock. And this can become your new reality. And right now, more people than ever, for a variety of reasons, economically, seasonally, are flocking to the internet looking for something simple, something that works, and something that's affordable and has great mass market appeal. And this is and can be the perfect solution, your perfect solution that you can plug into and that you can offer to other people, okay? So we just have a wonderful little system here, folks, okay? You can utilize this as a little feeder program, whatever you want. A nice front end offer to something bigger, more higher ticket. You have lots of potential here with lots of wonderful options. And then to get paid daily. People love instant pay. I don't know about you, but most people don't like to, wait around to get paid, wait from week to week or month to month for companies to send them checks. This can deposit instant payments directly into your bank account daily, okay? Even multiple times a day. The potential is here and it exists. Just because the way this was created, how simple it is, and it just flows together very, very simplistically, okay? Here's the 4 simple steps, folks. You get started with a $100 payment, any of those payment options above, okay? After you make that payment, you will turn around and send me an email. Here's my email right here that you will be able to access. And then I will turn around and send you a welcome email back with your access. And then you'll pay your $10 admin fee through the link that I email you back. And I will also be sending you my exact blueprint. So you can plug in, you can duplicate, copy, and follow and replicate. Okay? And what I do is not difficult, folks. It just is not difficult. I use YouTube. It's not required, but I'll tell you what, it's a great way to successfully build any business with ease, quickly, and generate probably some of the best, highest quality, best converting leads on the planet. Absolutely. Okay. So that is an option. And then of course I use a little bit of Facebook. I will share with you my exact strategy. Can even copy my posts and all that good stuff, folks. Okay. And then you're going to have more training contained within these products. And I will provide you with my exact email copy. So you can go out there and copy my campaigns. I have those now officially set up through my autoresponder, available for everybody who joins with me directly, and all of my low-cost paid traffic resources, which I'll be revealing one of my big ones here before this video concludes. So stay tuned, stay to the end, and I'm going to go ahead and share with you exactly what I've been using. And it's a great way that I build my list every single week. Okay. And that's what I highly recommend, is that you get serious about list building, because that will not only position you for short-term success, but more importantly and ultimately long-term success. Okay. So here's the wonderful products you're going to gain access to, and you can use these for whatever you want to help you build this business, another online business, and resell them and generate extra income, folks. Okay, and they're all right here. 6 of them are available through video, step-by-step video training tutorials. The other 4 are in the form of an ebook, a PDF. It's information that you can read and review and then apply and implement. Okay, and that's what I recommend. Get to familiarize yourself with these products, get to really know them well, get comfortable, get confident, and then go out there and apply and implement what you have learned within for the best results, okay? And don't take any shortcuts along the way, folks, okay? You definitely need to take what you're going to be doing seriously in order to achieve success, both now and in the future, okay? And see, these will show you and teach you how to build a list. And whether you know it or not, your email list will become one of your greatest assets, if not your greatest asset, okay, online, because that's where the money is, folks. The potential, the money is in the list, and the fortune is in the follow-up, your follow-up emails, which I will reveal and share with you exactly what mine look like. You'll be able to plug right in and duplicate and copy them, okay? You'll be able to copy my whole entire campaign, my email campaign. So I just wanted to share that with you. And then you can learn how to become successful with email marketing and building your own list, okay, through the campaigns right here, okay? And see, dominate YouTube. Exactly what I do works, folks. I've been doing it for many, many years, folks. And it's just a process. It is very simple, and you just have to be willing to put in the time and the effort, and then it becomes second nature. Wash, rinse, and repeat. Okay? A simple wash, rinse, and repeat process. Okay? And then this is going to show you and give you ideas on how to boost your web traffic using free and paid methods. Okay? And then internet marketing for complete beginners. This is ideal for anybody coming online for the first time or relatively new. Maybe you've been online for 6 months or less, or a year or less. This product here would be most ideal for you, okay? So I just wanted to share that with you. That's how my funnel is set up to flow, folks. Okay, what I'm doing is I am just basically Easy Daily 100.biz. I am sending traffic right here to this page. I'm building my email list within my autoresponder. When people input their information and their data, I collect it, and then they are redirected right here. That's the simple process right here, folks, okay? Watching these 2 videos, making a decision to get started, and clicking here just as soon as you are ready. And that's all there is, folks, okay? Very, very simple. No special skills or technical skills required whatsoever. And then to get this very system, you just go to mycapturepage.com, and then to get it set up, okay, I will send you this link here. This was created and designed exclusively for Quick System Pro, the marketing system. It's a third-party marketing system available exclusively through mycapturepage.com. And this system overview setup tutorial will show you exactly how to get set up within a matter of minutes. Very, very easy. Okay? Now, I promised you if you stay to the end, I'm going to reveal one of my top traffic sources that I use week in, week out to build my list and successfully build my businesses. And here you can find hundreds upon vendors. There is never a shortage of where you can go to buy traffic. It is affordable, and if you know what to look for, it is good quality, good converting leads. And when you partner up with me, I'm going to share with you my top 3 resources that I was very fortunate to find that are tested and proven to work, and that I've been utilizing for a very long time. So here's the source, folks. Many of you, I'm sure, are familiar with it. Udemy, udimi.com, udemy.com, okay? And we can sign in right now with our Gmail email account. So let me do that. And this will take you right to my account right here, okay? And you can basically see there's hundreds upon hundreds of vendors here that you can purchase traffic from. It starts typically at 40 cents a click. And I just recommend, people always ask me, well, how much should I buy Mary Beth? And my answer is, I don't know what anybody's resources or budget is. Just start from where you are. Scale up as you go. You want to at least buy 100 clicks to test the waters, okay? And then once you get traction and you start the process and you start to convert a percentage of the leads that you acquire through your email campaigns within Udemy, then you can scale up and increase it from 100 clicks to 200 clicks to 300 clicks onward and upward as you go, okay? So that is the process, folks. This is all duplicatable. It's all scalable. It's all workable. It works, folks, but you have to work it. So just focus on driving traffic to that simple capture page. Be consistent. Don't give up. Don't quit. You will get my exact guide and blueprint, all of my resources, and most importantly, my follow-up email campaign that you can take, run with it, swipe, deploy, and copy and duplicate. Okay? Money's in the list. I will share with you exactly what I utilize to build my list, my email list within my autoresponder, and the fortunes in the follow-up. So you'll have access to the entire guide, blueprint, and process. Very easy, folks, okay? Very, very easy. So here, just for example, before I close out, you find sellers, you can put keywords in here. These can be your search parameters, and this will literally pull up hundreds upon hundreds of vendors for you to pick and choose from. But you'll be getting my top 3 that I've been using for several months now with really, really good results. And then, I do use Facebook. This is YouTube. So here is, I'll just show you my channel real quick, what this looks like, okay? And I have several videos already that I've been building now. We go to videos. Retire with Mary Beth is my channel, which you can certainly subscribe to, and that way as I continue to upload new content, you will be informed. So I made my first video like 2 weeks ago, I believe. So here was my first video right here. So there's video 1, video 2, video 3, video 4, video 5. This is 6. This is 7, and soon to be 8. So folks, I stay committed and consistent. And that's what you want to do too. You want to build a following, a nice subscriber base, and just stay on course, folks. Stay on track and just be consistent. Okay? So this is YouTube, folks. It's a great platform. It is free. It is not difficult. I utilize a screen share software called screencast-o-matic.com. Screencast-o-matic.com to share my screen on the majority of my videos. So that is what I am doing and will continue to do. And as I continue to build this wonderful business called Quick System Pro, moving onward and upward, okay? And I do recommend that you utilize these thumbnails if you're going to get serious about video marketing. I use Canva. C-A-N-V-A, Canva. Canva.com works really, really well. Very affordable monthly fee, folks, for the pro version, which I highly recommend if you really want to scale your business up. And something too you have to remember is you really can't cut corners. You have to be willing to invest in yourself, both from a time commitment and a financial perspective. And just understand that it does take money to make money, and you have to have that willingness. Okay, step out, take a leap of faith, be willing to invest in yourself, commit, show up every single day, be consistent, and you can go on to build a nice business for yourself, earning yourself some extra income, increase your cash flow in time for the holidays with Quick System Pro. The link is below. Any questions, folks, my contact information is always below in the videos, and by far the best way to reach me is always text or call me. That's my personal cell in the description below, 330-787-1795. Best way to reach me, folks. And I look forward to seeing you hopefully on the inside of Quick System Pro this week. Let's get ready. Let's kick off the holiday season really strong, folks, and let's end the year even stronger and move ourselves into 2023 with something really wonderful that is working for so many. Quick System Pro, folks. Check it out today. Let's get you started today, and I'll meet you on the inside. Thank you very much. See you real soon. Bye-bye.